The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, FWD, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer, child safety locks, auxiliary audio input, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, rear head airbag, brake assist, cloth seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.